Question number 5 to 8 was our homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you read question 5?
White light is, wait, where is number
Question
5?
5.
It's shown number 1.
Is shown one number.
Yes, sir.
Let me check. Now you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Blue and yellow are colors in the visible spectrum. Which color has the lower frequency and which color has the longer wavelength? D.
Lower frequency, higher wavelength. Yellow. Okay, Dhaka. Correct. You are correct. If I ask you, which one has more frequency? More frequency, more wavelength. Then which one will choose?
Violet.
No, here, in this list. More frequency, longer wavelength. Which one will choose?
Blue will be higher frequency
Hmm.
and yellow will be more wavelength, long wavelength.
So it's clear to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Farabi. Hello, Farabi. Farabi, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Farabi? Can
Fine.
I see you? I did not see you for a long time.
1 minute. Sir. Yes, sir.
So how is your life going on?
Bad.
Bad. Exam pressure.
Sir, and what the routine has made, mashallah.
That's why. And
2 days holidays for everywhere.
are you set for Maradona?
Who is not sad? Everybody.
Yes. That's why also you are not good, right? So that's why you are late today.
No, sir. Just it was loading.
Loading. So try to load earlier. So that you can join on time. Try to be on time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you read question 6?
Yes, sir. I am reading. What 2 types of electromagnetic radiations are both used to kill cancerous cells and are both used to detect gamma rays and microwaves, gamma rays, microwaves and ultraviolet radiation and X-rays.
You just say the answer. Which one should be the answer? You have the notes, right, Farabi?
Yes, sir.
So in your notes it's written about the uses of all the electromagnetic waves, right?
Yes, sir.
Check which one is matching with this. Okay, you got it? Have you got it? Check in our notes. If I open the notes, check. Here we have. I uploaded the notes, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the notes uploaded, you see all the things are there. Check. You should go through, right? You should learn. Spend time in learning. Mahi Khan. Hello, Mahi Khan. Mr. Mahi Khan.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you? Mahi Khan, my boy.
Sir, fine, sir.
Are you okay? Everything is fine going on?
Yes, sir.
What about your sickness?
Sir, it's wearing off a bit.
Yeah. What I did not understand what you said.
Like my sickness is going a little.
Okay, it's going on, but it's better, right? Little bit better.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry, everything will be okay. You just shifted from Saudi Arabia to Bangladesh, right?
Yes, sir.
So be careful, huh?
Okay, sir.
Because from the childhood you are staying there in Saudi Arabia, and now you shifted to another weather, right? So you were born in Saudi
Yes, sir.
Arabia.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so lucky person, huh? Saudi. Saudis are
Yes, sir.
very much bad, right? They are not giving you citizenship.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Farabi, Al Farabi,
Yes, sir.
note you see in the learning outcomes it mentioned. Can you read?
Sir, gamma ray
Yeah, you
and
read X-rays and gamma
and
rays both. Both you read. Read here.
imaging. Hospital using medical imaging and killing cancerous cell and engineering applications such as detecting cracks in metal, gamma rays, medical treatment in killing cancerous cell and engineering applications such as detecting cracks in metal.
So X-rays and gamma rays, they both have these two properties: killing cancerous cells and detecting cracks in metals, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Can you read also the other five? Read them.
Radio wave, radio and television communication, microwave, satellite television and telephone, infrared, household electrical appliances, television controllers, and intruder alarm.
Yeah. Then
Light, optical fibers in medical uses and telephone. Ultraviolet, sunbathes, fluorescent tubes, and sterilization. X-rays, hospital use in medical imaging
okay,
and
okay,
killing
okay.
cancerous cells.
These two already done. Already you read. So five and this two seven. This seven you should learn. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? You memorize them. Hmm. You memorize them and listen. Out of this, you says you will not be assessed in Cambridge. Okay. If you learn this, then any kinds of use coming in Cambridge exams in MCQ or structure, you can answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So learn them. It's very easy, right? Simple.
Yes, sir.
So if you use the technique, you can learn a lot in with your small effort. So please go through the technique I am showing you. Here is the technique. If you learn this learning outcome, then everything is coming, all the uses. Okay, done. Then what is your answer for 6? What is your answer for 6? Question 6. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the answer. What is the answer?
Sir, B. Gamma rays and X-rays.
Gamma and
Hello.
X-rays. So Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well done. Well done. Then next. Rika, you read the next 7.
Which statement about red light and blue light is correct? Number 7. B. Bangladesh.
Yes. Red light has a longer wavelength than blue light. So what is wrong with A? Your answer is correct, but we are now analyzing the other options. Why they are not correct? A, why it's not correct?
Red light has lower frequency.
Yes. Okay, C.
Um, in red light, it will bend the least. Where, yeah, red light will bend the least.
Red light will bend the list. See, about C, they are talking about the speed.
Mm,
So the one which has more wavelength, that one is bending less. It is correct. And why it's bending less? Because its speed is more, right?
yes,
If
yes, sir.
if something's speed is more, then it is bending less in light. So you can write it if you have the uh, printout of this worksheet. You can write beside C that red light has more speed. Like here is written same. You write there more speed in glass than blue light because red light has more wavelength. Yeah.
Mm,
Then D. Why D is not correct?
red light will reflect less.
Refract refracted
Sorry,
by
refract.
a glass prism
Refract.
less than
Mm,
blue light. We know that which one has longer wavelength, that one bend less, right?
mm,
Bending
yes,
is
sir.
less means refracted less. Refraction is bending of light, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Farabi, question 8.
Yes, sir.
Question 8, please read.
Red and violet are the colors at the ends of the visible spectrum. How do the frequencies and the wavelengths of this color compare?
Yes, how? In class, in our class, we discussed it, and also in our group, the diagram is given, right? When we discussed it that time, the drawing we did, that one we sent in the group. So you know about VIPGEO, right? Farabe? Hello, Farabe.
Can you repeat?
Like the all 7 colors in the rainbow. That is the colors. All these colors together is the white light of the sunlight, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
when this white light is uh, divided into 7 equal parts, then we are getting the colors, right? Spectrum. 7 colors. These 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, then next which one? Green,
Green.
yellow, say yellow,
So
then orange, say orange.
orange.
Green.
Yeah, after green I said yellow, then orange, then red. Okay, from the bottom I am saying deep geo. So this order, if you take all the letters of the uh, you know all the letters, first letters of this color name, then you are getting what you are getting. Hello, then you are getting one name or one rhythm, that is called VIBGYOR. What is called VIBGYOR? VIBGYOR. Hello, you got it what I said? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Parabe?
Yes, sir.
So look at the group now. In group, I just sent you the one we did before. It's long back we did, huh? You see these colors, huh? VIBGYOR, you see VIBGYOR. Can you see in the group? Arabi, are you seeing?
Sir.
Are you seeing it here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so look here. You should learn it, huh? VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay? Can you say the colors, Parabi?
Violet,
Hmm.
indigo,
Hmm. Blue, say blue, B.
blue,
Then G, green.
green,
Mm-hmm.
violet, indigo,
No.
blue, green,
Mm-hmm.
এটা কি?
Yellow.
Yellow, orange, red.
Okay, so it's written here beside violet. What is written? What is written here beside violet?
Indigo.
No,
Oh, beside
beside.
violet,
Yeah.
shortest wavelength,
Hmm.
bending most.
Shortest wavelength. If it is shortest wavelength, then it will have more frequency, right? Most frequency.
Yes, sir.
Wavelength and frequency are opposite. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
longest wavelength, least frequency,
Bending
right?
wave.
Least frequency, right? Bending least, and it is least frequency. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So just remember about wavelength, frequency you can say automatically. Frequency is opposite of wavelength. So if it is shortest wavelength, what will be for frequency? More frequency, right? Most
Yes, sir.
frequency. And longest wavelength, red,
Less frequency.
yeah, least frequency. Okay. So now we are
Yes,
going
sir.
to our question. You tell me the answer now. Yeah. Hmm.
Sir, bending list is yeah, more frequency. Hello,
Which one?
sir. Bending list
Bending
is more
list.
frequency.
Bending list. Uh, bending list.
Yes, sir.
No, bending list is least
Less
frequency.
frequency.
Yeah, because red has
Yes, sir.
the least bending, right? So
Yes,
it
sir.
has the least frequency, but longest wavelength.
Yes, sir. A.
So higher frequency, which one?
Higher.
This is least frequency, right? Red. So higher
Sir.
frequency, which one?
Sir, violet.
Violet. And longer wavelength, which one? Red.
Longer. Sir, red. A.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
So
Yeah, B.
so if I ask you in different way, like uh, shortest frequency, eh, or least frequency, I can ask you
Sir, violet.
least frequency
Oh,
and
least.
shortest
Red.
wavelength. Shortest
Red
wavelength,
and shortest wavelength.
yeah,
Violet.
violet. Then the answer will be Bangladesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your answer?
C.
Okay, now your answer is C. Very good. So, Monica, you understood it, right? Monica, hello.
Yes, sir.
Monica,
Yes, sir.
you understood it. Question 8 discussion, everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we are going to now next one. That is question 9. Hmm. Question 9 is our answer. Question 9. Can you read, Monica?
The table lists the main components of the electromagnetic spectrum and their approximate frequency range. Which range of frequency can be used to detect cracks inside a block of metal? D. Dhaka.
Yes. Farabi, you understood it.
Yes, sir.
Because X-rays, the range given for X-rays 10 to the power 18 to 10 to the power 21. And gamma ray is given 10 to the power 19 to 22. So from 18 to 22 is showing both X-rays and gamma rays, right?
Yes, sir.
Already we got one question. It's in different way, same question. Okay, then 10, you continue it, Ravi. Question 10.
The diagram shows the main sections of the electromagnetic spectrum in order of increasing frequency. Some of the sections are labeled. The section R has a frequency just below that of light. What application uses the section R?
So how will get this answer? This is actually two-step questions. Previously, you got direct step question, single step question. Now you got two-step question. First, you have to identify what is R. Then you have to go for uses of R, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you first identify what is R. Can you say what is the name of this R, electromagnetic wave? It's left side of light. Okay, then left side of light, uh, you have at at the last left, you have radio waves. And radio
Yes, sir.
waves, they are showing also, they are saying increasing frequency. Increasing frequency is going to gamma rays. So decreasing frequency, that means uh, if there is increasing frequency right side, then there will be increasing wavelength left side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So which one has more wavelength? Radio waves, right? Is the most
Yes,
wavelength.
sir.
And from light, you are going to left, you are increasing the wavelength, isn't it? So
Yes,
in
sir.
light, we have 7 colors. Which one has longest wavelength? Red.
Wave.
Red. Red has the longest wavelength, right?
Yes, sir.
And beside red, we have infrared, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, if you think of right side increasing frequency, decreasing wavelength, that one should be beside violet, right?
Yes,
Here it
sir.
is violet, most frequency or shortest wavelength. Beside it, we have ultraviolet, right?
Yes, sir.
So beside violet, we have ultraviolet, and beside red, we have infrared. Is it clear to you, Ravi, how to
Yes,
get?
sir.
Yeah, Monica also understood.
Yes, sir.
So beside light, it will be left side, it will be infrared. Then after infrared, there is also one space. What should be here? In between infra and radio wave, what we have? You check your notes. It's given in notes. Check.
Nothing.
Yeah, microwave. So you should remember this order, huh? Which one is where you should remember it. Then here is ultraviolet. Already I said. Then what will be beside ultraviolet before gamma rays?
X-rays.
X-rays. So gamma rays and X-rays, they are closer. Beside that, ultraviolet. Here is infrared, then microwaves, then radio waves. Now, Ravi, can you say me all this name serially, quickly? Radio waves,
Radio wave,
then here
microwaves,
then infrared,
infrared light,
light, then here ultraviolet,
ultraviolet,
then
X-rays,
X-rays, then gamma
X-ray,
rays.
gamma rays,
So if we have here increasing frequency, then left side will be increasing wavelength. Okay,
wavelength.
frequency and wavelength
Okay,
will be
sir.
opposite. Okay,
Yes, sir.
remember it. Now, application of infrared. What is the application of infrared? Already we got it in the list, right? Read it. See what's written here beside infrared. Can you read again? Ravi?
Which one, sir?
Infrared. You
Infrared.
said. Yeah, yeah.
Household electrical appliances, television controllers, and intruder alarms.
Again, read.
Household electrical appliances,
Hmm.
television controllers, and intruder alarms.
Okay, now you close your eyes. Close your eyes and say what are the uses of infrared? Are you closing your eyes?
Yes, sir.
I will
Household
understand.
electrical appliances.
I will understand you are closing your eyes. Huh? You should show your video, right? Then I can
Yes.
understand that you are closing your eyes. So,
Household,
yeah,
household electrical appliances, intruder, and television alarms. Okay, sir.
television alarm or television controllers, remote
Television
controllers, right?
controller.
That means
Yes,
you
sir.
have remote control, right?
Yes,
Remote
sir.
controller, we are using infrared. Then intruder alarms, household electrical appliance. So, what should be your answer for this? Question number 10.
D. Television remote controller.
So it's easy for you now, right?
Yes, sir.
So before you're knowing and now after knowing, uh, before knowing you are you know less confident person. Now you are confident person, right? If any time it comes, then bullet will miss, but this answer will not miss, right? Arabi?
Sir.
Okay, very good. Now, Monica, 11.
Different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum are used for different purposes. Below are four statements about parts of the spectrum. Statement 1. Infrared waves are used in television remote controllers. Statement 2. Radio waves are used to transmit television pictures from satellite to Earth. Statement 3. Ultraviolet waves are used for intruder alarms. Statement 4. X-rays are used for security checks. Which statements are correct? Mm,
Statement 1 just now we got, right? It is correct. Infrared
Bangladesh.
waves are used in television remote controllers, right?
Mhm.
This one just now we did. And they wrote statement 3, ultraviolet waves are used for intruder alarms. Is it correct?
Wrong.
Wrong. And what about statement 2?
It's also wrong.
And X-rays?
It's correct.
It's correct.
Mhm.
So what you got in? They are radio waves. Radio waves are used for radio and television communications. Microwaves are used for satellite television and telephone. So what they gave there? So television pictures from satellite to Earth. And which one is for security check given? Is there anything given for
X-rays.
security checks?
Yes, sir.
Medical imaging,
X-rays and gamma rays.
they both are for
Yes.
security checks, right?
Yes, sir.
What is written there? What is written there?
X-rays are used for security checks.
Yeah. Where it is written, you got, but in Cambridge learning outcomes it's not written directly. So how you
No,
understand it?
in the outcomes, it's written that it's for detecting cracks in metal.
Mm-hmm.
So it means that it's like a security checking for the metals if there
Okay,
is a crack or
okay,
not.
okay. Then why we are not taking statement two?
Because
Statement two, why we cannot take it? Uh, in radio waves, it's written radio and television communications. Uh, so microwaves, it's written. So in microwaves, it's written satellite television and telephone, right?
yes, sir.
So if it is mentioning about satellite television, that one is related to microwaves, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why we are not taking it. They are saying satellite to Earth. Transmit television pictures from satellite to Earth. It should be microwaves. Okay. And what you explained about X-ray, that is correct. So our statement 1 and statement 4 are correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you have the printout, you write here for statement 2, it should be microwaves, huh? And for this one, already you got ultraviolet waves here, but it should be infrared, right? Infrared waves are used for intruder alarms. So it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
And Farabi, have you got it printed? Farabi,
So not yet.
yeah, please try to get printout tomorrow. Huh? Tomorrow you have
Yes,
holiday,
sir.
so try to get the printout tomorrow. Now question number 12. Read, Farabi, read it.
Some of the sun's radiation passes through a prism. The diagram shows the spectrum of the radiation. Which point on the screen does the infrared radiation reach?
So infrared radiation. Where
Yes,
will be
sir.
infrared radiation? You are seeing violet, right?
Yes, sir.
You are seeing red. So where will be red? There will be infrared, right? Beside
Yes,
red,
sir.
there will be infrared, and beside violet, there will be ultraviolet, right?
Yes, sir. Ultraviolet.
So what should be your answer? Will you take A or C? Beside A, we have both A and C. Which one will you take? Beside red, you
Yes,
have
sir.
infrared, right?
Yes, sir.
So which one will you take? Infrared has longer wavelength, right?
Yes, sir.
So it should be up,
A.
right?
Yes,
Because
sir. A.
from violet to red, it's increasing the wavelength. So your answer should be which one?
A.
A. Got it. Then if we ask you where is ultraviolet radiation reach, then what should be your answer? Yeah,
Sir, C. No.
not C. Ultraviolet is beside violet.
Oh, D.
D, it should be D, right? And
Yes, sir.
it has more frequency than violet or shorter wavelength than violet, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? That's why it should be
Yes, sir.
bottom one. So it's clear to you, Monica?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after 10 minutes you join, huh? Thank you. After 10 minutes you join.